If you're sick and tired of stubborn carpet stains, pet messes, or you just want to get your floors looking brand new again, you've come to the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 carpet cleaner machines that actually deliver results. I've done all the research, compared the specs, and checked out what real users are saying. Make sure to check the links in the description box down below. All right, let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we've got the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus, and this machine has been a proven workhorse for years. This isn't some flashy new gadget, it's a reliable performer that consistently ranks at the top of professional testing. The dual dirt lifter power brushes, they're the real star here. You're getting 12 rows of bristles on 2 counter-rotating brushes that dig deep into carpet fibers. That aggressive scrubbing action, combined with powerful suction, pulls out dirt that's been embedded for months or even years. What really separates this model is the Clean Shot Pre-Treater feature. You press a trigger and it shoots concentrated cleaning solution directly onto tough stains before the main cleaning pass. I've seen this thing tackle wine spills, muddy paw prints, and even old grease stains that other machines just couldn't touch. Here's what you should know though. This machine is a bit heavier than some newer models, at around 32 pounds. If you've got multiple floors or a ton of stairs to clean, you'll definitely feel that weight. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth considering if mobility is a big concern for you. The value here is incredible when you factor in longevity. Users report these machines lasting 5 to 7 years with regular use, which means you're actually spending less per year than buying cheaper models that break down. For families with pets or high-traffic homes, that reliability is worth its weight in gold. At number 4, we've got the Shark Carpet Expert Hair Pro, and this is where innovation meets practical problem solving. Shark designed this specifically to tackle the #1 complaint about carpet cleaners: pet hair clogs and tangles that totally ruin suction and make cleanup a total nightmare. The Hair Pro technology is genuinely revolutionary. Shark claims it removes 3 times more pet hair than traditional cleaners without any clogs, clumps, or hair wrap. After testing, that's not just marketing hype. The hair cage system directs pet hair straight into a collection chamber where you can just lift it out and toss it. Done. The Stain Striker technology is equally impressive. It uses a dual-activated formula mixing system that combines cleaning solution at the exact moment it hits your carpet. This creates 20 times more stain striking power, according to Shark's testing, and the before and after results on set-in stains genuinely shocked me. Here's the consideration. This is one of the pricier options on our list, typically running around $400 or more. If you don't have pets or your primary concern is basic maintenance cleaning rather than heavy-duty stain removal, you might not need all this firepower. But if you're a pet owner, this machine pays for itself in saved frustration alone. No more stopping mid-clean to unclog brushes, no more hair wrapped around every rotating part. You just clean, empty the tank, and you're done. That convenience factor is massive for busy households. Coming in at number 3 is the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe, and this is your ultimate value champion. With over 47,000 positive reviews on Amazon and a price point usually under $200, this machine proves you don't need to break the bank for professional quality cleaning. The 360-degree spin scrub brush system is beautifully engineered. Multiple brushes rotate and maintain constant contact with your carpet from every angle. Unlike cheaper models that just scrub in one direction, this surrounds each carpet fiber and lifts dirt from all sides simultaneously. Heat force technology is a total game changer for drying times. It applies heated air during the drying pass, cutting your wait time down to about 45 minutes. That means you can clean a room and actually use it the same day, instead of keeping it off limits overnight. The 1-gallon tank capacity means more frequent refills if you're tackling large areas. For a whole house deep clean, you'll probably need to stop and refill at least twice. It's a minor inconvenience, but worth mentioning for efficiency's sake. The price-to-performance ratio here is absolutely unbeatable. You're getting spin scrub technology, heated drying, an 8-foot hose with multiple tools, and proven reliability for half what premium brands charge. For budget-conscious shoppers who still want genuinely clean carpets, this is your sweet spot, hands down. At number 2, we have the Tineco Carpet One Cruiser, which just earned Time Magazine's Best Inventions of 2025 recognition. This machine represents the future of carpet cleaning, with smart technology that takes the guesswork completely out of the equation. The iLoop Smart Sensor is absolute genius. It automatically detects how dirty your carpet is and adjusts both suction power and water flow in real time. You're not undercleaning or oversoaking. The machine optimizes everything for you. It's like having a professional cleaner built right in. What really impressed me was the power dry technology. It uses 167-degree heated air that reduces drying time by over 50% compared to traditional cleaners. You could clean in the morning and have completely dry carpets by afternoon. The 130-watt suction is professional-grade powerful. Here's the consideration. The advanced technology means this sits at a premium price point. You're investing more up front, though the efficiency and results can totally justify that cost over time. The Smooth Power 3-level assist provides bidirectional propulsion, making it feel almost weightless to push and pull. The self-cleaning mode automatically flushes the entire system with flash drying, so maintenance is minimal. At just 28 pounds, it's lighter than most competitors. For serious tech-savvy homeowners who want the absolute best cleaning with minimal effort, this machine delivers future-forward performance. And our number 1 pick is the BISSELL Revolution Hydro Steam, the first consumer carpet cleaner to combine professional-grade steam with traditional deep cleaning. This is genuinely innovative technology that changes what's possible with home carpet care. The Hydro Steam technology hits carpets with steam vapor before the cleaning solution in brushes. That steam penetration loosens stains at a molecular level, breaking bonds that traditional cleaners just can't touch. I tested this on 4-year-old coffee stains and they disappeared like they were fresh spills. No joke. The dual dirt lifter power brushes combined with steam pre-treat mode create a 1-2 punch knockout for stubborn messes. You're getting mechanical scrubbing action plus heat-activated deep penetration. The results on high-traffic areas and set-in stains are honestly night and day compared to non-steam models. Here's what you should know. The steam system adds about 2 minutes to your setup time while it heats up. If you're doing quick spot cleans multiple times per week, that wait might feel a little inconvenient. For deep cleaning sessions, it's barely noticeable, but daily maintenance users should factor that in. The quick dry mode gets carpets ready in about 30 minutes, which is actually faster than most steamless competitors. The 1-gallon tank is 75% larger than average, meaning fewer interruptions. For serious cleaning power that tackles what other machines leave behind, this is the undisputed champion, period. That wraps up our top 5 carpet cleaner machines for 2025. Each of these delivers excellent results, but your perfect choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Check those Amazon links below for current pricing and deals. Thanks for watching, and here's to cleaner, fresher carpets in your home.